Good afternoon, we're so glad you're here. We daily vlog, so if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you come back every other day. Every day or every other day. But not every other day. It is 2:15 p.m. Guess what time I officially got off my behind? 1:30 p.m. I got up, ran my couple reports for work, and then went back to sleep and stayed asleep pretty much until 1:30. I don't think that has happened in my life since I was about 12 years old. But now I'm awake. While I was in the shower getting ready, Sarah made up some Greeky, lemony potato wedges. So I'm gonna dish these up for us to have.
She's setting things up. And this girly thinks she's getting some, but too many seasonings, Eve. I'm sorry. What? Look at the dips.
This is the beginning of the Sarah broke our birthday celebrations.
Oh gosh.
Even though you made these yourself. But I prepared the
Is that just sriracha or is that sriracha ketchup?
It's just sriracha. I don't know what sriracha ketchup is.
It's ketchup mixed with sriracha. Will you bring over the ketchup?
Yeah. Today's vlog is sponsored by PepsiCo. Not really.
Dan Mace is doing a project. Did you see my tweet? He's doing a project that has to do with sound, and he said, "What's your favorite noise?" And I said, "Opening a can of pop." Hopefully he knows what I mean.
He's South African. I don't know if he understands what the word pop means. Secret. Don't know if we ever told you guys this, but we always leave a little treat for Eve when we leave, so she eats that while we leave.
We also, we used to give her peanut butter, but ever since quarantine and she's been a little bit more anxious about us leaving, we had to step up our game. So now she gets
some freshly sliced fruit. Because she's a little bit of a spoiled little pup. But that's okay. Gonna do some birthday shopping. This is the first store Sarah's gonna have gone in since
in a long time.
Since March.
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna get some Starbucks while we Target shop to be that cool. Now we're in the comfy shirt section. And Sarah's loving it. She's making me happy because Sarah sometimes is resistant to purchasing things for herself. But we are doing good. I think we're gonna peruse the rest of the store. We've got two items we're gonna look at online, one pair of shorts and one pair of overalls.
Well, I think these shorts took the place of those shorts.
We're still looking for the overalls though, right?
Yeah.
If you know of any good overalls, denim overalls, not dresses, but
Want to know something funny? The last time I did a major PJ haul at Target was like a week or two before our wedding, and I was here by myself and I dropped like $400.
I remember when you called me because you were supposed to go just for like some PJs or something. You called me and you were so nervous. You're like, oh, I ended up spending.
I wasn't nervous.
You sounded nervous.
I was probably just already having buyer's remorse.
Yeah, because you have major buyer's remorse, but it was good. Oh, look at this cool Harry Potter mirror. And Sarah found this cool.
I can't get her back
cool
on.
Because it's like literally, it's like legit from the movie.
Yeah,
but she escapes.
She even got her bloomers on.
All right.
I was so frozen in Target, and it's so hot out here. Let's see. Ooh, this is hot. Let's see if it's cold on the inside. Mm-hmm.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Weirdest sip ever.
Sarah grabbed these. I grabbed a bottle of wine.
A little, 2 impulse buys plus 2 jars of pickles.
Yes. But I think overall we did really good. You got a lot of clothes.
Yeah.
So a good deal. And then we're gonna order one thing. We're gonna try to. Hopefully we can get in before it sells out. But we're gonna order a new Jeffree Star palette that's coming out Thursday, right? Mm-hmm. Thursday at 1 p.m. Florida time. So we have to be online on his website. But there's a new palette coming out that Sarah wants, and Sarah doesn't really do makeup.
I don't wear a lot of makeup, but this is his first collection where it's all neutral colors, and I could see myself wearing all of them. And I haven't gotten new makeup or eyeshadow in a really, really long time. Like, I think I have like the first Naked palette. Like, that's all the eyeshadow I have. And so I don't know, it came out, I really liked it, so that's
we're gonna order that, or attempt to order it when it releases on Thursday.
What do you want to do now? Go home? Make some gumbo?
Yeah, go home and make some gumbo.
Yeah. What the?
We got an Uber Eats order dropped off and everything, but it's not like one of our friends sent it to us because it's a large fry. But once again, McDonald's, what are you doing?
But it's not ours.
No, and a chicken sandwich, or a big crispy chicken sandwich, and a cheeseburger.
I'd feel bad if it was one of our neighbors.
Yeah, but it's like, clearly it's been out for a while. Like, none of this is hot. Well, if it was one of the neighbors, they would have either checked or called and been like, what the heck?
If McDonald saw our video and sent it to us, but how would they get our address? You want to eat that?
No. Eat the fries? Yeah, we can't eat this stuff.
I was just saying, like, are you tempted to eat it?
Oh, and if it was like fresh, I would have been
Remember
tempted.
our old rule, like when we were like trying to be good in the parks? If it's free, we'll eat it.
Oh.
Like that.
The French fries.
They look so soggy.
They're soggy and
I'll eat them, don't worry.
Should we nuke them?
No. Douse them in barbecue sauce, they'll be fine. Okay, here is my beautiful Target loungy wear haul. So these shirts were like $6 a piece. This green color, and then this maroon and pink have these little folded sleeves. So cute. And then, oh, this is another shirt. Believe it or not, I mean, you guys have seen, I really don't have a ton of stuff with characters on it. But yes, I could not turn down this Americana patriotic parade happening. Love this. And then this is like a little jammy set. And these are the second pair of shorts I ended up getting. What's this brand called again? Stars Above. They taper at the bottom, so this is like a heather gray and then like a dark charcoal gray. And then this one I got the matching shirt to go with it. So happy birthday to me. Most of the pajamas I have are like random t-shirts or softy shorts, or I have a couple of like matchy pieces, or what would it be called, set, that I really do like, but I'm excited to be able to get rid of some stuff. And then love my new clothes. And then we also got most of it a little bit bigger, so then it could also be used for maternity clothes, after baby clothes, and all of that. So that's exciting too.
We just got this edition True Tales of Adventure for outside. I'm actually going to sit here and read some of this. I got this like Target $5 bottle of red because training is about to get real after today. Because I'm doing a pre-training for the 18-week training plan for Chicago, but when I get my coach in 3 weeks, I got to talk to them about if we should just really be training for a world marathon. And it's going to be about a year and a half of just straight training. So got this to just have. And then after Sarah's done putting away clothes, we're going to get going on the gumbo. Busting out our seldom used iPad because Sarah and I are going to divide and conquer. Here is the gumbo. There's kidney bean made meatballs. Ooh, Eve. Meatballs that I'm gonna make. That looks like it. So let's see how this goes. That looks delicious. We're gonna have it with bread, not rice tonight, because we got a loaf of bread and we need to eat that before it goes bad. Have we ever shown our super cute food processor? Look at that. Super cute, and it matches with our super cute mixer.
It does not match.
And they're both KitchenAid and are super cute Mickey Mini salt and pepper shakers. See? This is what you call freaking teamwork. Sarah's over here making the gumbo. I'm over here making the meatballs. We're gonna get some T-Swift playing on the Alexa because tonight, I found about it today on Twitter, thanks social media advertising. They're doing some kind of fancy France. Paris. Paris.
I don't know.
It's a concert in Paris of Taylor Swift tonight at 9 on ABC. Maybe on tomorrow
Not
on
like
Disney
live,
Plus.
like it was like previously recorded?
Yes, never seen before footage, except for people who went there, so. And then we're gonna watch it all day long tomorrow on Disney Plus.
Yeah. So it does not look pretty right now, but all of the veggies are sauteed. I just added the broth. Now it's time for the tomatoes and all of the seasoning. And how are you, Peter?
The meatball concoction's looking good. We're trying to determine if I lit this thing on fire because it is smoking pretty bad.
Yeah, it
Because
smells pretty bad too.
The meatball goop got pretty thick and I wasn't paying attention, and I think we're okay. It definitely should not be inhaling this.
Stop it!
So when you don't have a brush and it says to brush oil on it, this is what you do.
Wow, we're gonna bake them for a half hour.
Yeah, 30 minutes
The
and we'll
soup's
spin them up
boiling.
again.
What's perfect is the soup's boiling and now it's supposed to simmer for a half hour, so.
Perfect timing.
Meatballs halfway through. Give them a little flip.
They're looking good.
Yeah.
They're smelling
They
good.
smell good, yeah.
They look really dry.
Yeah.
I think that's okay because they're gonna.
They're
I think,
gonna go
I
in
think
the
we
soup.
put this in the bottom of the bowl and then put the soup on top and eat it quick up.
And then here's the gumbo.
Here's the finished product. Sarah put her meatballs on top with the bread on top. I sliced up my bread into little pieces around the side and I put the meatballs in the bottom. It smells absolutely divine. I don't even think I've ever had okra in my life.
I don't think I have either.
So this is gonna be intriguing, but it smells delicious. Have you guys been watching some good news? Because we have not been.
We watched a couple, but we haven't
We watched the first two.
all.
We watched the first two, and then we just watched the 8th, and for now the final one. And it was so good.
Yeah, we're weepy.
Yes, it was just good. Yeah. But now we gotta get ready to party.
Taylor Swift party.
Taylor Swift concert in 15 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
I'm like
Beyond full.
beyond full, but like not where I'm gonna be sick, but where I just need to go to bed. But it was so good.
Yeah, I really liked it. I would tweak a couple of things, but
Sarah's not a big veggie person, and I think gumbo is very veggie heavy. And
I
I
like
loved it like
veggie
that.
soup. I think the issue might have been my bowl, and I think that like I wanted like the broth veggie ratio better, and I think the veggies sunk, and then I ate a bunch of broth, and then the veggies were left.
And that's not your thing.
No.
I loved it. It was so good.
And then I think tomorrow, like whenever I zest it up a little bit, there was more time than I liked in it. I really do like time, but
I think Sarah didn't realize there was time in the gumbo, and time was a heavy component of the meatball.
Yeah.
So I think having it together was like very time heavy.
Yeah, so if I can like put in some water, some broth, and like do other like kind of rebuild it, I think that'll be good.
Here we go. T Swift fans. Ooh. What did you think of T Swift?
It was good. It was chill.
Yeah, it wasn't anything special.
It was special because it was the first time she performed all of those, but it was like not a huge production, like a full-on tour. We're gonna put on Remember the Titans. Peter's gonna finish up some work, and we're gonna go to bed.
I need like another 10 minutes before I can just let my computer crunch away the numbers until the early hours, but I have to make sure it gets to a certain point before I can leave it alone. Alright, the earliest we're going to bed all week. Hopefully I can fall asleep. Today is Sunday, May 17th, the day before my best friend turns 28 years old, the year that she will be when she brings home a baby to our home. The quote of the day is by John Barth. Everyone is necessarily the hero of his or her own life story. I love it. My name is Peter Brookhart.
My name is Sarah Brookhart.
And that was Eve licking Sarah's foot. It's good to be home.
It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.